Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? We have a game-changing opportunity for you, courtesy of Lady Robin Hood, LLC. We are thrilled to announce an exclusive giveaway for our opt-in email subscribers that could transform your financial future. Here's what you can expect. 1. Free credit repair template. Remove those pesky negative reports from your credit report with our expertly crafted template. It's time to wipe the slate clean and start fresh. 2. List of banks for bad credit. Discover banks that are willing to give you a chance. Our curated list includes financial institutions that provide funds even if your credit history is less than perfect. 3. Bonus, secret sauce. We're going the extra mile with our no gatekeeping approach. Get access to a coveted list of philanthropists and websites that give away money to those in need. This is your golden ticket to financial support and relief. All these invaluable resources are bundled into our Do It Yourself Credit Report ebook, designed to empower you with knowledge and tools to take charge of your financial health. Don't miss out on this exceptional offer. Subscribe now and embark on your journey to financial freedom with Lady Robin Hood by your side, with empowerment and opportunity. P.S. This giveaway is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more tips, resources, and support to help you thrive financially.